invite Mr. Gustavo Reyes Aguiara from FECOBEL, Mexico.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable ministers, dear fellows, dear colleagues, and my brothers of the chief delegates. We have everyone a good day. That brotherhood with the chief delegates is like the real family. You don't choose them, but you finish loving them. I'm really appreciate all your friendship, and I'm very honored today to represent two important organizations in Latin America. The relationship between FECOBAL, my native association, and PPC, it's several years ago. You remember in 2018 we have had a successful Congress in Tijuana, Mexico, that was organized by three important organizations, FECOBAL, PPC, and the UPAV, Pan American Union of Aviation Associations. And this time I'm honored by representing the UPAV because some days ago, 3-4 days ago, we had in Quito, Ecuador, an important Congress for these organizations who groups 18 Latin American countries and Spain. I had the opportunity to meet with the actual president of UPAV, Teodosio Cayo Araya, who is Chilean. He's finishing his period this December, and with the next elected president of UPAV, Mr. Leandro Escobar, who is going to begin ruling UPAV from the next 2 years. And they both sent a message for you that I'm going to present a video from Mr. Cayo. And they agree that it's time for our organizations in the world to merge, to make efforts for promoting the profession around the world. Imagine we are in Latin America, more than 30,000 appraisers, and here in Asia Pacific, another more than 30,000. If we can work together for a better profession, we can reach real important things. I'm going to present now the video. We in Mexico and Latin America, we want to invite you to come to make business, to come to make tourism, but the most important thing, come to make friends. Because when you have a friend in a foreign country, any reason that you make for that visit, it changes the sense of the visit. It's like coming back home. Thank you very much for your attention, and we are hope to see you soon again. Thank you so much. If you can present the video, please.
Thank you, Mr. Reyes Aguiara. Now, let us watch the video from the UPAV, the Pan American Union of Valuation Associations.
Dr. Lim Lan Yuan, President Singapore Institute of Surveying and Valuers. It is a true honor to present this video at the 32nd Pan-Pacific Congress. My name is Teodosio Cayo, President of Pan American Union of Valuation Association, UPAV, an organization with 26 years of history that brings together 18 Ibero-American countries and more than 25,000 valuers affiliated with our members' institutions.
Our main activity is the organization of an annual congress, which is hosted in rotation by different countries. In addition, every 2 years, on the even-numbered year, we renew our board of directors.
UPAP is a member organization of the International Evaluation Standard Council, IVSE, with authorization to deliver courses of the International Evaluation Standard, IVS, and to produce the official translation of this standard into Spanish and Portuguese.
Among our member associations, we have tolerant members in every specialty, which allows us to strengthen the development and implementation of new methodologies and technologies in evaluation presented and shared each year at our congresses.
We proudly celebrate more than 75 years of institutional history and deeply value the opportunity to share our activities with you, to highlight the work you carry out, and to move forward together within a framework of collaboration that allows us to continue growing in our common interest. Please receive a warm greeting on behalf of our board of directors and the entire UPAP family. Best regard, Teodosio Cayo.
May I invite Mr. Boyd Gross